This program gradually increases the LED's brightness to create a smooth fade-in effect. Let's take a quick look at how these blocks work. To begin, we need to create a new variable named brightness. The program runs continuously because of the forever block. At the start, brightness is set to 0 using the set variable block. Inside the loop, the while block checks whether brightness is less than or equal to 1024. The analog write pin block sends a value to PO to control the output level. The pause block waits 100 ms before the next step. Finally, the change variable block increases brightness by 10 each time the loop runs. Now, let's see the program run. Try raising the delay to slow things down, and reducing the increment for a smoother fade. Play around with the numbers and see what kind of light show you can create.